Okay, now we're going to go over some of the larynx structures. Remember, the larynx is your voice box. Alright, so we start with this bone, which is the hyoid bone. Remember, that's one of your free-floating bones. Then this large gray area right here is called thyroid cartilage. Now remember, males produce testosterone. Testosterone causes the thyroid cartilage to grow, thus forming an Adam's apple. Alright, below the thyroid cartilage is a space, and then you have cricoid cartilage. That space is where you would do a tracheotomy. So, thyroid cartilage, space, cricoid cartilage. Then all of the remaining rings are called tracheal cartilages, which are just hyaline cartilage. Now if we go back up top, behind the hyoid bone, you can see this little flap. That is the epiglottis. Now remember, the epiglottis closes the trachea so that when you're eating, food will be directed down the esophagus. When you're not eating and you're just breathing, the epiglottis flips back over so that the trachea is open and air will be directed down the trachea. Alright, so the last thing we need to find is the vocal folds. Alright, so now if we look inside, here are your vocal folds. And remember, those are going to vibrate with air, which produces speech.